true CE compliance in seconds. From your CE Zoom agency account, you will have full control on how you want to manage your licensee's CE compliance. The Total Professionals bucket will list all your licensed professionals. From here, you can select who you want to audit. Selections are randomized and can be any percentage you would like from 1 to 100. You can see as I change the percentage from 10 to 50%, the number of professionals chosen changes. Once selected for audit, each professional's audit status will be displayed under the audit history. Now, as CE submissions come in, you will instantly have full visibility of their compliance. From here, you can choose to view the transcript and do a full audit.